First Warning Weather with meteorologist Tommy House.
I hope you'll had a great weekend. We have 80s up and down the I-35 corridor, a little bit cooler to the hill country, 74 in Mason and Gillespie County, 77 in Llano, and then our eastern counties, Milam, Lee, and Fayette, mid to upper 70s at this hour. Here's your evening planner. By 9 p.m. 68, by 11 p.m. 61. We'll be clear through the night tonight and kicking off your work week tomorrow morning. 30s and 40s. Drier air is easier to cool down, so it's going to be a cooler than normal start to the day. Our normal low is 52 for this time of year, but by the afternoon hours, winds will really be ripping in out of the south, so we have 80s across the board, which is an elevated wildfire concern. Looking at temperature as well as the gusts, they'll really pick up past noon tomorrow from 20 up to 35, even 45 miles per hour in the hill country. So therefore, we have a level 5 out of 5 by the Texas A&M Forest Service wildfire risk. This includes Lampasas, San Saba, Llano, Mason, and Gillespie County, and a little bit of Blanco County, and very high for about 80 to 90% of the KXA and viewing area. And this extended risk will continue through the next few days. Here's why. Winds will really begin to ramp up. How about Monday at 6 p.m.? Most of us in the Lone Star State, up to 30 mile per hour winds there. And then early Tuesday morning, that really picks up. How about Abilene, 52 mile per hour gusts clocking in to kick off the Tuesday. That will continue through the afternoon and evening before our next cold front arrives. We're going to have a strong low pressure system rip across Kansas and Missouri, which means drier air, definitely breezy for the time being through midweek. So early Wednesday morning, 51 mile per hour winds sustained farther out toward the Panhandle. So this dry air is going to blow dust toward our area. It's also really going to open up the door for extended, very high to extreme wildfire concerns. Just the fire weather in general is going to be off the charts this next few days into next weekend. By Tuesday, here's the salmon color, level 4 out of 5, very high. This consumes pretty much all of our area, and high temperatures will stay warmer than normal for the most part. Mid to upper 80s Monday and Tuesday. There's the front, 70s Wednesday and Thursday, pleasant temperatures then, and then back up in the mid to upper 80s and maybe 90s by next Sunday, and things are looking pretty dry as well. Just a 10% rain chance for next Sunday, and even then computer models are pretty inconsistent with this, mostly just for eastern Texas at the moment. So wildfires is something we're going to have to be watching very closely here at the First Warning Weather Center. I expect it's going to get pretty active with those dry winds in place, so make sure you have a way to receive alerts there. All right, here's your KXAN First Warning Weather 7-day forecast. St. Patrick's Day on Monday. Nothing but sunshine through the next work week.